tips to land your first internship and kickstart your career. Why internship matter? Internship help you gain real-world experience, build your resume, grow your professional network, and can even lead to full-time jobs. Where to find internship? Use your college placement cell, job portals like Internsala and LinkedIn, company website, and don't hesitate to ask for referrals to the networking. And making a strong resume. Keep your resume short and focused. Highlight your skills and projects, include your GitHub or portfolio, or use strong action word like implemented or developed. Applying smartly. Don't apply everywhere blindly. Target roles that fit your skills, tailor your resume, and cover letter for each job, and track all your applications. Cracking the interview. The revise basic technical concept, practice common HR questions. Research companies have good questions to ask at the end. Go beyond basics. Do side projects and certification. Start applying early. Keep your LinkedIn updated and stay confident. Even if you face rejection, still ask such questions like, "What is my role in this internship?" And the final motivation: your first internship is just the beginning. Keep learning, keep applying, and success will follow you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to TechnoHot for more valuable content.